If you're looking for the best websites for online arbitrage sourcing for Amazon FBA UK, then stay tuned. I'm going to share with you my top 5 suppliers. I'll walk you through every single supplier and I'll show you some deals that you can expect to get from them. Let's get started. Okay, coming in at number 5 is going to be a website that we've used many times, and it's called Sweetcare. Now, Sweetcare, they generally do the beauty brands, all the cosmetics, and they're great, and they have lots and lots of discounts. Right now, what you're going to see is this deal. This is like a derma product, and they also as well, they share a lot of information on it, so different sizes and different things. So you can see right now, you're picking up this at $8.88, and if we come straight over to the listing, this listing right here, and actually I type in $8.88, it's not going to be the most profitable, but right now it's going for about $17.58. We're going to make about $2 profit and a 20% ROI. Now, I do like these kind of products. Why? They're small, they're light, and generally they sell fast. And this website has lots and lots of products on it, just like this, and even better margins that you can find all the time. We're always finding deals from this website, so do make sure to check it out. Now, I'm going to share with you my top 5 suppliers in this video, but if you're looking for more suppliers that you can find more profitable products, maybe in different categories, then do get my top 100 supplier list, which is absolutely free. And if you just click the link down in the description below, now you'll be able to access the free top 100 list and get that right now for both the USA and the UK. So click the link, get started. Now, coming in at number 4 is going to be another beauty supplier, and that's called the Perfumes Club. Now, this product right here, and you'll see a lot of these types of products we see all the time. This is the Rituals skincare trial set. It's going for $15.48, and you can see it was like $15.89, so they're always dropping the prices. And if you find the same product on Amazon, you can see this is going right now for $29.90, which is absolutely incredible. So if we type in here, and again, what's that price? That price is going to be $15.48. So let's come back. So I'll just update this, $15.48. So you can see we're going to be making a $5.13 profit and about a 33% ROI. And the other thing I like about this is look at the speed of those sales. 50 units bought in the last month. This product is doing well, selling a lot of products. So you can make a lot of money for them, and I do love them. Okay, the next website I'm going to share with you is one that everyone buys from, but is absolutely ideal for beginners. But if you get bigger, it's not going to work, and I'll explain why. This is called Boots. Now, Boots is a well-known supplier or shop within the UK. Everyone has been in one of them at some point. Now, I did just say that they are a great website to buy from because they have amazing deals. But the one thing you've got to be really careful about at Boots is never order more than 3 products. Ideally 2. Keep your basket small. Make it look like personal purchases. Why? They're really hot on stopping resellers. Basically order 3, wait for them to be shipped, and then order another 3. Don't keep ordering multiple orders. It's just going to be a really bad idea. And once they cancel your account, good luck. You're never going to be able to get other orders through. As sellers, bigger sellers, we just gave up buying them. Didn't work. But if you're a beginner, you get some of the best deals I've ever seen on the internet from Boots. Now, coming from Boots, right here, we've got this sun cream, which is a 50% or 50 SPF rating, which is brilliant. And it's going for £8. Big thing about Boots is they do a lot of 3 for 2s, 2 for 1s, for example. Always check. Right now you can see here, 15% off when you spend £60 on fragrances. Always doing deals. Now, £8 this, and if you come over to the listing itself, doesn't actually show up right now. It's buy box suppressed, but it is going for $16.59. So let's just drop in our £8 there. I think that's right. Yeah, £8. We're going to be making £2.51 profit, and we're coming in about a 31% ROI. So good. We're making some good money out of that. But again, just be mindful, like don't want to be buying big quantities from Boots. They will cancel your account. That's my top tip for you. Getting access to the top 5 suppliers is going to really help your business. But you know what's going to really make it even better? Getting access to the right information, knowledge, direction, and guidance is going to really support you. Now, if you are interested in taking your business to the next level from people who have already been there and built not one, but multiple 7-figure Amazon businesses in the UK and the USA, then do check out the Amazon FBA War Room. We have a really engaged community where you can ask questions. We have classroom material. You can do 0 to 10K in just 2 hours per day. Weekly live training, which is all recorded, and you can see all the previous recordings and watch them back since we started. You've also got fighting section 3s, and we do a weekly live Q&A session. You can watch them all back, see the handouts, get everything you need to know. And right now, there is a free 7-day trial, and I'll drop a link down in the description. You can access this and get started scaling your business. Join us on the weekly live calls. Get the information you need to scale. Okay, coming in at number 2 is going to be a website, which I absolutely love. We found so many deals from it. This is called Notino. Now, if you are into beauty, you're going to know about these guys. And again, you probably noticed a lot of the products we're finding right now for the top suppliers is going to be beauty-based products. And Notino has some of the best deals ever. So I absolutely love them. Make sure you're on their newsletter. Now, this product right here, this is a Elizabeth Arden Sunflower Sunrise. And you can see not only is it like normally 1010, but they've got a discount to 808 with spring. And also they've reduced it down, which is really good. You see this all the time. And they give you special coupon codes, which I love. So 808 for this product. And when we come into Amazon, right now it's going for $23.15, which is amazing. So let's come in, let's put in our 808. And you can see here, I'm going to be making a £7.37 profit. Amazing. But not only that, let's look at the ROI. 91.21% ROI. That is the kind of ROI that I really love to see. So make sure you check out this website, sign up to the newsletter, really changes the game. Now, coming in at number 1 is going to be a website that I personally shop from for myself, even to this day. It's called iHerb. Now, if you don't know, iHerb generally do supplements. They are small, light, and generally expensive. Great types of products you want to be buying. If we come into here, this product right here is going for $25.56. But let me share a tip with you. If you add them to the basket and then go to the actual checkout, we'll go right here, what you are going to notice, you can use the code GOLD60. I'll share that with you. We use it all the time. It literally works for everything. And this is applied a £10.22 discount. So we've got 4 in stock right now, and you can see right now it's going to be $92.02. So let's just come back. Right now, this is going for $47. And remember, originally, this product, let's go back, was going for $25.56. And right now, is selling for $47.17, but we can get a discount on it for $92.02. So let's go to here. I'm going to do $92.02 divided by 4, and you can do these calculations in SellerAmp, which is great. So there you go. That's coming in at £23 per unit, which is great. So profit, we're looking at $11.79 and ROI 50%. That is an amazing profit, which is absolutely brilliant. So if you are interested in really leveling up your game, definitely recommend iHerb. Definitely recommend using GOLD60. That's going to really help you out. That's a tip from the inside there. And then this is an amazing website. We're finding deals every single day on this supplier. Now, the one thing which I will say is looking at the top suppliers is great, and make sure you get my top 100 list, but learning how to use the tools to analyze them properly, that's the thing that you really need to understand. Today, I use SellerAmp, and you saw how I was doing the calculations in SellerAmp. Now, if you really want to know how to use that tool to the best possible ability and how I analyze deals every single day, then check out a video around here of how we use SellerAmp in my business that's just going to help give you the knowledge that you need.